Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. US markets, they fell very drastically, but yesterday itself I told you there is no need to look at US markets. So we need to look at US markets only after the US markets close. Why? Yesterday, the people were too much worried about corporate results. Google parent Alphabet and Microsoft were set to declare results after the market hours, and most of the people, media people, said the results may not be good. So because of that fear, the US markets fell drastically. But as soon as their markets closed, the results came, both the results were better than expected. So that's why particularly Nasdaq 100 was down about 230 points, but now Nasdaq 100 futures is up about 175 points. I think almost the entire loss is being recovered. So, like on a close to close basis, from yesterday to now, along with the US futures, the fall is not a big one. But if you look at US markets closing, then it might look very bad. And Asian markets are mixed. And surprisingly, yesterday in US markets, Infosys ADR was slightly higher. I don't know now because I checked yesterday night, because today morning I had no time to look at all those data because I just slept only for 3 hours after my flight journey from India to Dubai. In all probability, IT stocks must have bottomed out in our markets, and in any further fall from here, the IT stocks should support us. However, the banking stocks, now this HDFC Bank is, I don't know why, started falling. So yesterday it fell. Even in US ADR also, I think yesterday HDFC Bank fell. Now the Bank Nifty will be coming into focus. Yesterday also, in the last half an hour, Bank Nifty has fallen more than 200 points. But probably that is due to some Nifty expiry effect. But today there is no expiry, so today that effect may not be there, but it is time to be a little bit cautious on banking stocks. Axis Bank will be in focus. I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Axis Bank is coming out with results. And today, many other stocks like Bajaj Finance, Maruti will be in focus ahead of their results. I think Bajaj Finance, I always say, if a stock has been doing very badly for the last few months, there will be some kind of a short covering ahead of the results. So we all know Bajaj Finance went up to 8,000 rupees plus, then from there came to 5,500. I think now that stock has seen a decent amount of short covering from 5,500 to 6,100. So stock specific actions may continue, but SGX Nifty indicating about 30-40 point gap down. But again, SGX Nifty may not be a right indicator. In all probability, we can continue to consolidate. So yesterday, if you look at that technically, it was a Toji pattern. So Toji pattern means where the market opens, it closes around there, and without the wick also not a very big one. So this shows indecisiveness. And reason number one, we are trading somewhere near the resistance. So some kind of a positive trigger is required to move the market further higher. And with ICICI Bank, Reliance results are already factored in. So we need some further triggers to move the markets higher to move to 18,000 to 18,100. So there is no such trigger because the globally markets are negative. So global markets are actually dragging our markets down. 17,800 will continue to be a resistance for the time being. So that has to be taken out decisively along with some positive news. So we will wait for any positive news now. But at the same time, looking at the open interest, 17,700 put option has the highest open interest. So in all likelihood, so Nifty should take support around 17,650 level. So why I am saying 17,650 level, those who sold the 17,700 put option would have collected some premium. So along with that premium, so they will be losing if the market falls below 17,650. So 17,650 to 17,850, 17,900 is a very tight range where these sellers can make some profit. And of course, as I always say, they will always be doing some kind of adjustments if markets move violently. So in the beginning of this week, I said, no, it's going to be 17,400 to 18,100. But now the time has gone. We just only have about 2 trading sessions. I think now we can expect Nifty to trade between 17,600 to 18,000. So anyway, markets can be volatile in the last 1 or 2 trading sessions. But if that violent happens on the upper side, so it will be really very good. Stock specific actions will continue today also. There are many corporate results are due, and we need to watch 2 stocks keenly. One is HDFC Bank and the other one is Reliance Industries. Why HDFC Bank? Because yesterday it fell when the overall market sentiment was good. So that was going against the market trend. So there was some news that HDFC Bank will be buying some stakes in some small company in Singapore, but I do not know why that has that kind of a material impact on the share price. So HDFC Bank is an index heavyweight, and that is behaving opposite to the market trend is something a big concern. The second stock, Reliance Industries. Why Reliance Industries? So yesterday, throughout the morning session, first half of the session, Reliance Industries was flat, but suddenly in the afternoon, there was a big spike. And then, of course, that was sold into towards the end of the day when the overall market came down. So now there is some upside activity in Reliance and downside activity in HDFC Bank. So therefore, these 2 stocks, and incidentally, these 2 stocks are one among the top 5 index heavyweights. So they will affect the Nifty very much. So right now, overall picture looks like it's a consolidation with a negative bias, and we will see what happens today. And tomorrow market can be more volatile, but today also reasonably volatility will be there. But volatility index at 11.5, which is at a multi-year low. So though markets may be volatile intraday, on a close to close basis, markets are not likely to make any big move. However, for the next 1 week, there are a lot of global cues, a lot of big corporate results are due in US, Fed meeting is there next week, another 1 week Karnataka state elections are there. So although India VIX is very low, but the volatility will continue, and but on a close to close basis, markets are not likely to make any big move for the next 1 or 2 weeks until Karnataka state elections are over. So let us see what happens. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.